Everyone. It's time to practice. And I mentioned this to your mom and your dad in class, but you may have to remind them about this. They get the lesson notes in their email, and they could print it out and put it on your piano, but I can also suggest that they write it out. And so I'm going to write it out for you so that I know exactly what to practice every day, and it's on my piano. So I have my lesson notes in front of me, and I see it says there's a writing assignment, so I'm going to put it down at the bottom, right. And then I'm going to put the page. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to cross it out, so you don't have to do that every day. Then it says to warm up in the C, D, G, and the new E position. So I'm going to write warm up. C, D, G, and E. Then we have our new piece of the week, See the Pony. And that's an E major. And then page 24. That's a reading piece. And then I get to play the song game. So this is all at the piano. Oh, and there is one more thing, Musetta. And that's the form game. So mom and dad can write this and put this on your piano, and that way you know what to do. I have it on my piano. And first, I'm going to warm up. Now, even though I like to do my warm-up before I play my piece, it's also nice to just play all the warm-ups. So I'm going to do a C major warm-up. And I'm going to add the 1 chord, the 5/7, and the 1 chord. All right, I'm going to do it in D. Of course, you can stop in between. I'm doing these. You can stop it and do yours and then come right back to this recording. I'm now moving to G. Do, mi, so, mi, do. Left hand. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do, mi, so, mi, do. 1 chord, 5/7, 1. And again, you could stop the recording and start again. I'm now doing E. This is the new one, and this will get me ready for See the Pony. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do, mi, so, mi, do. Left hand. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do, mi, so, mi, do. 1 chord, 5/7, 1. Okay, now I'm going to do See the Pony. I have my song card, See the Pony. I'm going to put it in front of me, and I'll leave that on the piano to remind me every time I pass the piano, I'm going to practice See the Pony. And I also have my practice CD all ready to listen to, and I'm going to my listening right now. I have my practice, and I'm scrolling down, and there it is. And I'm ready to practice.
See the pony galloping in E major position.
See pause it because I'm going to sing it and practice my chords. 1 chord, 5, 7, 1. You could do this with me. Are you ready? See the pony galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the pony galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the pony coming home, all tired out, all tired out, all tired out. All right, now it's time to practice our patterns.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol.
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 Sol, mi, do.
Sol, mi, do.
Sol, mi, do.
Sol, mi, do.
Re, fa, mi.
Re, fa, mi.
Re, fa, mi.
Re, fa, mi.
Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do. I could play my chords with it. Did you notice that ending went 3 times? All right, now I'm going to put them together. So where is that do, re, mi, fa, sol in see the pony galloping? Oh, you're right. It's in see the pony ga, and then so, mi, do, so, mi, do. So I'll put those together. See the pony galloping, galloping down the country lane. Country lane. And then that's twice, right? See the pony galloping, galloping down the country lane. Now the horse is coming back. See the pony coming home, all tired out, all tired out. And he's really tired. All tired out. Yeah. Okay, so we practiced See the Pony, and you want to do this at least 5 times this week. So now I'm running to get my book. It should be on my piano. And I'm going to page 24. And I'm going to read it. Oh, yeah. Remember this one? This is the one where we found out it was Mouse Mousy, but in the key of G. Wasn't that funny today? All right. So I'm going to do my warm-up. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, so, fa, mi, re, do, do, mi, so, mi, do. Now, I know you know how to play this melody. I know you do. And you could easily just play it and ignore the music, but we're practicing following the notes. So I'm actually going to put my other hand up right on the note that I'm reading so that my eye can follow. I could do it without playing. So, mi, do, so, mi, do. Would you sing with me and point? Are you ready? Here I go. So, mi, do, so, mi, do, so, do, 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 do. Are you still pointing? Now go to the second line. So, mi, do, so, mi, do, so, do, 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 do. So I practiced my reading. Now I'm going to practice my reading while I'm playing, and I'm going to keep my eye right on that music. So I'm going to put my instant cover on. As my finger position, here I go. So, mi, do, so, mi, do, so, do, 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 so, mi, do, so, mi, do, do, run. That is really good reading practice. I hope that you did it with me. And yes, do it every day. It will get easier and easier if you do this at least 5 times this week. Okay, my checklist says play the song game. Now, the song game this week says to do them all in the key of E. Oh my goodness. Now, you could do them in any key, but this is a great way to practice that E position. So here we go. I'm mixing up my song cards. I wonder which one I'm going to get today. That one. Stars shining. Oh, I haven't done that one in a while. Stars shining, stars shining. Number player 1, player 2 in E position. Player 3, player 4, player 5. Stars shining by and by, by and by. I'm adding that middle note, the me. Oh yes, by and by. But if you're still doing the 2-note chord, that's fine too. I'm going to do it for the left hand. Stars shining, number player 1, which is your thumb, player 2, player 3, player 4, player 5, stars shining by and by, by and by. Oh yes, by and by. And now I'm going to play both hands. Stars shining. You could add that middle note if you want. Stars shining. Number player 1s, that's your thumbs. Player 2, that's your index. Player 3s, that's your middle finger. Player 4, that's your ring finger. Player 5, that's your pinky. Stars shining by and by, by and by. Oh yes, by and by. Did you notice I had to sing to play that piece? I'm not playing the melody on the piano like the others, so I'm accompanying myself. I'm almost done practicing. I just have to do my musette form game. Oh, okay, so I need to go get my form cards, and those are the cards that are like this, and I'm going to put up my hexagon, my triangle, and I'm making little piles. Oh, I think I'll make a little instant table here. And I've got some circles, and that's enough. I can start. All right, so I go to my listening CD, and I put on Musetta. Now, you can dance along with it. Right now, I'm just going to play the game. Guess what? My practicing is done. It actually takes less time to do it than to talk about it. I hope you had fun practicing today with me.